meet my 6-year-old Roomba. And I'll show you how I maintain him monthly and periodically. Let's make this last another 6 years. New filter, new spinner. I don't have the twirly bar, but I got a knife, and I got these tools. Don't worry, the spin brushes are on order. Let's clean that out. It's pretty old. Sometimes I clean it. This time, I'm tossing it. Once a month, I do go ahead and clean out the filter. I clean it completely, just rinsing water through it on both sides, tapping out some of the water, and then I let it dry completely before I put it back in the Roomba. So normally I have 2 filters I'm using. One's constantly being dried, and one is in the Roomba. And then I do this, as I said, once a month for my use. Now, we don't have any pets at the home, so we only run the Roomba about 1 to 2 times a week. Cleaned out. Grab some wipes. Or a rag. Brand new one. These need to be replaced. They've been reused and abused. I'm gonna clean them for today until the new ones come in. For whatever reason, dirt likes to build up in this one spot right here. So you can see my husband actually gets out a scraper, a putty knife, and scrapes out the dirt. Once a week, if you were to wipe it, you could probably get it with a rag. But in this case, I couldn't. You can see by looking at this bar that I don't replace it on the normal schedule that it suggests. I try and clean it out as much as possible to save a little money. This is normally on my monthly cleaning schedule. And I forgot that last month I needed to replace it, so I didn't order any. So I'm gonna have to make do for another few weeks till the new ones come in. Like I said, this needs to be replaced because it's been eaten away and it's no longer complete. So order another one of these. This can be cleaned off and probably used a couple more times. Anyone that lives in a house with another person with long hair or even pets knows that you're going to get a lot of hair on these brushes. See, this is starting to fall apart, so it's definitely going to need to be replaced. But I don't have any right now, so it's cleaned up good enough for another couple of weeks. Let's get this. From what I remember, the maintenance says that you want to replace most of the parts as they're worn and you can see that they need it, and replace the filter every 2 to 3 months. I wash the filter and I replace it about every 9 months. It's not terrible. I don't know about you, but I was never taught to clean a vacuum as a kid, but as an adult, it just seems like a natural thing to do. If you want something to last, you should take care of it, right? I'm gonna reuse this one. It's not that bad yet. Take another wipe. Clean off the contacts and the mirrors. Take the screwdriver. You want to make sure you get all the sensors cleaned off so that way there's no dust and debris blocking it. It's dirty. And when at all possible, get your husband involved. Have him help clean the machine. Most people don't know this, but my husband has like 6 vacuum cleaners. And ironically, he uses all of them. He even helps me clean all of them.